Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear brothers and sisters,
welcome in How to Perform Umrah and Hajj, a series of video lectures by A.M. Baloch from Mufakirin. Episode number 13, Shopping.
Please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button so you get a notification every time I post a new video. If you have already subscribed, thank you very much. Hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, or hit the thumbs down button if you don't like this video. What do you think about this video? Let me know in the comments. Now let's move to the main episode.
In this episode, we will discuss about the shopping and the markets when you have performed your Umrah and Hajj, and now you want to do some shopping for back home, for your relatives, for your friends. So that's the stuff we will discuss in this episode. Let's move in. If you are in Medina, you want to do a shopping from Medina, then outside of the Masjid al-Nabawi there are hawkers and there is a market. Just move move straight from the gate of Jannatul Baqi, then on your left side you will find a market, and on all outside wall of the Masjid al-Nabawi there is a market. And if you go a little further, there are many markets in the Medina. Like this one is outside of the masjid near graveyard Baqi. This is a market outside the boundary wall of the Medina Masjid al-Nabawi, and this one is the outskirts of Medina. Just walking distance you can see still the Masjid al-Nabawi. These are the markets. You can do your shoppings from there. Be careful, they do negotiate. There's no fixed price. Try to bargain and get a good deal. If you do a bulk shopping, that will be advantageous to you. You know, these are all the things which people buy from the Makkah and Madinah. They are either made in Turkey, India or China. But because they are brought by pilgrims back home, they are regarded differently. But actually these all things are made, most of things are made out of Turkey, Iran, India, China, etc. But anyhow, so when you will be buying here, be careful to buy and do negotiate. There's no fixed price. This is another market inside the Medina, just in the streets of Medina when you walk from the big hotel towers. This is another market. This is at the place of battle site of Battle of Uhud. So when you go to the graveyard of the martyrs of Uhud, you will see a lot of small carts and hawkers sitting there. You can buy from there as well. Probably you get a better bargain deals there. And now coming to the Makkah, and outside of the Masjid al-Haram, Kaaba, you see big towers, and under these towers there are big shopping malls. And outside of Masjid there is streets which are all markets, like one. Which are having all the souvenirs. So you can do your shopping in Makkah if you would like to. Look at these towers. On the ground and mezzanine or first floor of these big buildings, big restaurants, big hotels is markets. So you go and you find those markets there. Look at this kind of shops, and then you can get a bargain deal. These are the streets of Makkah. You will also find there a lot of shops, prayer mats and other stuff. For the dates, you will find a lot of shops in Medina and in Makkah. If you want to buy ajwa, buy from Medina. But be careful, there are some ajwa coming from other parts of the Saudi Arabia. They will sell you as a Medina ajwa, but that might not be the actual ajwa of Medina. So you be careful, ask them, and then if they lie, it's up to them. If you are fond of buying gold, be careful. All people are not equal. Especially there are a lot of chances to do fraud with the visitors, because the shopkeepers know you are one time, when you are gone you will not come back here. So if you want to spend on the expensive Jewelry, gold items, be very careful, look for the markings and see that the gold is has a laboratory markings and it's a proper real gold, not the artificial. And do take an invoice from them, because at the airports you will be required to prove the ownership, etc., and the value of the gifts. So make sure you get the invoice, make sure you get from the authentic shops, make sure that you are not lured in the false things. And look at these mat shops. If you go to exclusive who have a lot of prayer mats, maybe you can get a bargain deal from them instead of those who have a mix. Then the other component is the Zamzam water. You go for Umrah and Hajj and come without Zamzam water, that cannot happen, right? But recently there has been a lot of fraud in this arena. Since the water has been produced by government, there are a lot of people who have established factories and they are bringing the water same exact bottle, same exact packing. For a layman like you and me, it will be hard to recognize if you have been given unreal Zamzam water. So if you want to go for the water, you go to the two sources. Let's look to the water and then I'll tell you the sources. See these bottles, they come in 5 liter or 10 liters, either in plastic or in this carton packing which says conveniently for air travel, see, dedicated for air shipping. If you want to buy the authentic Zamzam water, you go to the Zamzam factory. Zamzam factory is a few kilometers away from Masjid al-Haram. You go there, you show your passports, and then you get 2-3 depending on the time how many they are giving, but between 2 to 3 per person they will give. So if you have more family members with you and you want to get more bottles of water, then take them all, or at least take their passports with you. And take a taxi, go there, pay there. Each bottle is 25 dirham. Pay there and get the authentic water from them. Also on the Jeddah airport and Medina airport, they have outlets where you will get authentic Zamzam water. So these are the two places you can get. If you want to get in some other cans, or if you get a similar can from the supermarkets or some people standing with the pickup trucks and others, there are more chances that that's the fake water, because the government is not selling this water in the bulk quantity to anyone. They only check your resident card or your passport, and then they give you a limited quantity. So if someone who's bringing a truck full or a pickup full of the water, there is more chances that he or she has brought that from those fake factories of Zamzam water. It's not the real Zamzam water. So be careful. Do not bring the fake water to your loved ones. This is the automated dispensing unit. So you go and pay the cash, show your cards, and then they will give you a token to come and take out the water from the dispensing machines. Or if you are at the airport, you look for this type of building where they have the window to pay, and then they will give you the slip to get the water. This picture is from Jeddah airport. So I hope your shopping will be smooth and fine, and you are not lured in some fake items, and especially the fake Abe Zamzam. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you didn't like, hit the thumbs down button. And then if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, please subscribe to this channel for the upcoming videos, and hit the bell icon so you get a notification every time when the new video comes up. And I see you in the next video. Till then, ma'assalama.